We are from Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune, presenting our project on weather alert for predicting damages of crop using IoT. Myself, Guru Prasad Deshpande, with my team member Jayesh Pole, Vishal Khandagre, and Darshan Kope. We are doing this project under mentorship of Dr. Rajni PK ma'am. This is our problem statement, agro-adversary system. In the category of agro-adversary system, our title is Farmer Agro-Adversary Services. Using weather forecast and occurrence of pest disease with its management can be sent to the farming community. This is our field visit photos wherein we got to know about our problem statement in a very deeper aspects of it on the farmer. Problems identified and the proposed solution. Weather is the most uncertain and most affecting factor for farmer for planning crop. The proposed solution tries to address this crucial problem by collecting data of farmer about their farm condition using sensor and analyzing using software. This data can be sent over internet using IoT and alert as well as information regarding future calamities can be informed in advance using machine learning. We are building web portal based alert system using machine learning and IoT to collect data from farm. This is our system block diagram where Raspberry Pi is our microprocessor which collects data from DS18B20 temperature sensor and moisture sensor capacitive V2.0 which is dipped into the soil in 1 meter and sending this data over server ThingSpeak cloud which is an open source cloud and storing it as well in the SD card as a local server, local data and displaying it on LCD, and this is supplied by power supply of 5 volts. Thank you. This is the prototype for the same where we have deployed this in our IITM campus which is having same feature which we discussed earlier in the block diagram. This is a Raspberry Pi for the system and the sensor are dipped into the ground. This is our scaled down prototype deployed on the IITM site which is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology Pune along with my team members. The data collected from this is shown here on the ThingSpeak website and as well as we have displayed it on our user-friendly website as well named iitmsoilwebhost.com. We have tried this classification using NiFi's machine learning algorithm on the dataset of Australian in the Weka software, wherein we are comparing the different accuracy parameter in order to choose the right algorithm. We are improvising this in many other direction and we are also working on the Indian dataset as soon as we get it from IITM. Thank you. This is a scalable solution as the sensors are low cost and this can be afforded by each and every farmer in the country in a very low cost of around 5 to 10,000 respectively. These are some references which we referred during this project. Thank you. We would like to thank eYantra team for providing us platform to showcase our skills and enhance it with mentorship of eYantra group. Thank you.